David Attenborough, and we are in the jungles of New Guinea to witness the mating ritual of the short-tailed paradigalla. It looks like we have a female here who is ready for a mate. And so enters a male paradigalla. They are physically weaker than their female counterparts, so it must woo her with a dance. It appears the female is uninterested. What a shame. The male's gonna have to wait for another Dennis. Dennis.
Hey, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I saw your dance over there, and I don't know, would you want to go out with me, maybe? What?
Huh? Dennis. Were you attracted to that bird's dance?
Yeah, kind of a lot too.
Oh, Dennis, that's so weird.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Yeah.
Look, you cannot have sex with that bird.
No, God, no! I would never, ever want to have sex with it.
Great. So we'll just move
Before
on.
I put a ring on it. Of making me the happiest human being in the entire whole wide world.
Dennis, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh, what's the big deal? I'm just trying to marry a bird.
Yeah, that's the deal.
Wait, I didn't get his number!
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's a fucking bird. We're leaving. I hear something in the underbrush. It appears the female's back. Dennis. Perhaps she's interested after all in the mate's advances. Oh, Dennis. No. I see the jealousy in your eyes, Dennis, please. Dennis, you cannot fight a bird. You cannot fight a bird.
Tell my wife and kids
Oh, Dennis, what?
that I love them. But not as much as I love that bird.
I'm sorry. Oh, it appears the female has cut my friend Dennis. Oh my God.
Hey, listen, I know this is crazy, but what are you doing there?
Nothing.